Just a little bit about me. I've been in the graphic arts industry for over 55 years on the printing side of the business with a company called Polychrome and Kodak. I've enjoyed photography since high school. I'm a certified P107 licensed pilot for 5.5 years. And right now, one of my partners is we're concentrating more on the construction side of the business as your instructor right here. Just a sample shot of a construction site, and as you saw in the intro, we actually photographed that up close to that crane. Does anybody here have drones?
Yes. We're about to. I've never gotten to use mine before.
Ah, okay. DJI or the manufacturer?
Yeah. Mine was made by Hobbytown.
Oh, okay. Very good. All right. That's good to know. Whether you're a novice drone pilot or have many years aviation experience, rules and safety tips exist to help you to fly safely in the national airspace system. Thinking these tips as a pre-flight checklist to help you fly safely.
Why
And that,
safely in all caps?
because it's the thing that the FAA really concentrates on is safety.
What does FAA stand for?
Federal Aviation Adventure. Okay. First of all, if your drone weighs more than 1/2 pound, you have to register it with the FAA.
What does that mean?
That means you have to register it online with the Federal Aviation. You're not allowed to fly your drone over 400 feet. You got to keep your drone within line of sight. You have to be aware of FAA regulations, and from what I understand, he went over some of the fly safe areas, non-fly safe areas, where you're allowed to take off from and land. You got to respect other people's privacy. Never fly near aircraft, especially near airports. Never fly over groups of people, public events, stadiums full of people. Some of the regulations are changing right now, where if you have your P107, you can go up right online before you fly and get a waiver to fly over restrictions that are in place by the FAA. Never fly over emergencies such as fires or hurricane recovery efforts. Never fly under the influence of drugs or alcohol. The FAA says even if you have one sip of alcohol, you're not allowed to pick up that controller and fly until 8 hours have passed, and that has passed through your system. An important website is FAA Drone Zone, FAA.gov. This is where you can go set up an account, register your drone. It'll cost you $5. And let's see, this is where you sign up, even if you're a recreational. But this is also where you would sign up if you're going to start your P107 license. To start for your license eligibility, you have to be 16 years old, you have to be able to read, write, and understand English, and be in physical and mental condition to safely fly a drone. Then you have to pass the acknowledgement test, which somebody's getting ready to do. That's the test you have to take in a controlled environment given by the FAA to get your license.
So it's like the driver's test, but for the drones?
Very similar, very similar. Okay,
Is it the same age restriction? 16 or up?
That's correct. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to attempt to bring the drone up here. Say attempt. This is one of 4 of my drones.
From here, it feels like it's twisting around.
You might want, yeah, turn the lights on up over the center.
Are you going to be able to get a picture of it?
Yeah,
You can send it to me later.
yeah, or I could download it right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Does your computer take a SDI small chip?
We'll do it later. What I want
Okay.
to do is give it to a presentation.
Okay.
What's up, guys?
And not inside, not without GPS.
Let them know that they're restricted by ceiling and
Oh yeah. Inside, we're flying basically without any GPS coordination. So if you go forward, it can drift without any GPS satellite connections. So you got to be real careful.
What's the little shadow on the bottom? Oh, that's the shadow.
That's telling me that I've got 4 feet, and it's that one of the sensors on this drone is telling me that there's an upward obstacle observed, which is the ceiling.
That's cool.
You'll find there's plenty of opportunities out there in the field. We were just talking about construction, real estate, all kinds of opportunities out there, and you're actually in on the ground floor of the. No, I would not take that responsibility.
I'm going to put this on you and let them ask questions.
Okay.
Anything else you want?
Yeah, that is.
Okay, do you want to set them all up in the front here?
No, I think we'll just do the picture with them.
With what?
Photography.
Oh, okay. Well, I can do this.
Third person. You can try it, but it'll probably create the static popping. Unless you turn it off. Okay, tell them a little bit of what you just said, because I don't think they heard any of it. Tell them a little bit of what you said.
Okay, did you hear what I said about the opportunities that are out there?
Hang on, hang on. Is it working?
Yeah,
No.
was.
Make sure flip it on all the way. Yeah, there. Okay. There.
It's working? Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, did you hear what I was saying about the opportunities that you have out there? You couldn't hear that? Okay. There's opportunities in the drone industry in real estate, in construction, all kinds of opportunities in the oil fields for flying and recording information. And they're getting more and more sophisticated with the softwares that are available to actually get out there and utilize your footage. Change the screen. The screen?
You're 180 or 360 or whatever. Oh, the infinite screen. Good. Point it at the projector. Right there. Yeah. Where they see the multiple drones. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Oh, I see where you're going. That is interesting. Leave it to the kids.
Okay, we can probably bring it down and let's
Okay.
ask you questions if they have.
All right, you're going to do this.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. With the water towers. Yeah. So when Iron Man's going to a new town. Yeah. Yeah, they like Iron Man.
Yeah, I noticed they were all diddy bopping to it when it came in.
So go ahead and put it down and we'll ask them to ask questions. We'll have them ask you.
Okay.